in UK, you probably know that it has been raining, constant and relentless rain for the past 10 days. But today we are blessed with a bit of sunshine, so it's time to get out in the woods. And today I'm gonna try a couple of things. So first thing I'm trying is are these new shoes. These are my new hiking shoes. They are called Adidas Terrex Swift Solo. They are very lightweight. They feel comfortable. They have a rubber toe cap, as you've seen. That's a personal choice due to the terrain I walk on. Yeah, so I bought these shoes 4 weeks ago, but since then I never had the opportunity to take them out and try, either because of bad weather or because of work commitments. I was on hiking up in the Rouges and the Lads Church, but it was too muddy, so I did choose to use my lower hiking boots instead of these shoes, but it would have been a lovely terrain to try them on. I might go back there and see. So that's first thing I'm trying today, and I will see how the shoes will do over the summertime. So the second thing I want to try on this little afternoon is my new knife. So it's a Condor Bushlore. It's a carbon steel knife. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this knife. It's a classical standard bushcraft knife, and I'm gonna prepare some wood. I'm gonna do some wood preparation because I'm planning to bring here my son, hopefully at the weekend if the weather is clement. So I'm gonna prepare some wood because I would like to build a fire with him and show him a couple of things with wood. So I'm here to try the knife, prepare some wood, do some feather sticks and leave the wood prepared here, probably under those canopy. But first of all, get your priority right, and it's time for a coffee. So as you have seen, this cherry tree has been a bit tough to cut with the Victorinox SAK, the wood saw, but it did it. Now we shall see how the Condor Bushlore is gonna split this, and hopefully doing some feather sticks. As you can see, it's bone dry inside, really tough wood. We will see. Let's start. This also has a couple of small knots, but shouldn't be a problem. Lovely wood. Nice curls. See if we can do some long ones. Ah. Well guys, I'm very satisfied with this knife really. It will be my go-to knife from now on. I know there are some fancy, expensive knives out there, but this Condor Bushlore seems to be really good. It's also very comfortable on my hands, and it's difficult to find a comfortable knife. Well, at least for me anyway. I think I'm quite happy with the results. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really had some good time here in the woods on my hammock with the espresso coffee. Yeah, now it's empty. I drank it all, so I might not be able to sleep tonight, but hey, I'll probably be dreaming of more knives since I've become addicted to all sorts of knives. Yeah, I really enjoyed using my new Condor Bushlore. I received this 2 weeks ago, and this is its first time in action, and I'm pleased with how it works. Its handle is good, feels comfortable. The leather sheath is also nice and simple with the belt loop. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this knife and doesn't need any further explanation. I've got some cherry wood prepared, hopefully for this weekend, for my son and to come and play, have a little campfire. And my Adidas Terrex Swift Solo, they seems really comfortable. I was walking around here for about an hour or so, and yeah, very comfortable, very lightweight. So if you're looking into some summer hiking shoes where you want them to be lightweight, comfortable and easygoing, these shoes are probably quite good for you. Anyway, I hope to see you soon on the next video. Please connect with myself on Facebook and Instagram. I regularly upload photos on those platforms, so if you want to see more photos and other content, connect and check the links in the description below. See you next time.